and today I'm joined by Ais Kazi, the Senior Vice President of Platform and Strategy and Adoption at SAP. And today we're going to talk about the Startup Focus Program, which is part of your responsibilities at SAP.
Thank you.
So how are you doing today, Ais?
I'm doing very well this morning. Thank you.
Great. So yeah, obviously the startup SAP, big company, working with these much smaller companies. Why are they interested in that?
Well, that's part of the whole movement around HANA when we started it, was the recognition that this is a platform, and this is a platform for others to build on. So the key aspect of all of this is to make sure that there are other companies building on the platform, not just SAP. So that is the first part of why we are working with other companies other than SAP. So why startups among that? We looked at all the companies of tomorrow, if you will, and saw who they're buying from. And none of us, the large enterprise software vendors, figure in that. And it was important to make sure that we build our technology and deliver our technology for companies of tomorrow, and also bring our current customers these innovations on our platform.
Right.
And that's what it's all about. And that's why we are here today to talk to you at ASAP,
Right.
so that our customers can get a sense of what's happening in the startup world and bring those solutions on SAP to them for them to adopt.
Right. So it's all about providing more for the customers. And so when a startup wants to get involved in this program, what does it entail? What do they get by being involved in the Startup Focus Program?
That's a good question. The way we recruit startups is we've typically done these forums that are global. So our program is global across 57 countries. And when a startup gets involved, after we enroll them into the program, we provide them the platform, free for development, the HANA platform. And we also give them technical enablement on top of the platform. And this is top-class technical enablement. This is from the product organization. We are driving this program. And in addition to that, once they have the product ready, we help validate their product and then help them through the different aspects of taking these products to market, where these products apply to SAP customers. So today we have, while there are 1,700 startups in the program, and you saw that in both Steve's and Bjorn's keynotes,
right.
There's 130 solutions, validated solutions from these startups that are available today. So in other words, if you can look at it, there's 130 things that can be bought by our customers. Or another way to look at it, at least 130 more use cases in HANA.
Right. So where are these solutions? Where can customers find these 130 validated solutions?
So they're widely distributed across different industries. So 22 different industries, 9 lines of business, and pretty much every industry we have startups for those industries. There's about 9 or 10 of them that are here at TechEd,
right.
On the event, on the show floor,
wow.
Walking around, talking to customers, talking to the IT folks, talking to the techie folks as well, to make sure that the solutions are. So there's something for everyone in this.
Right, and I guess to wrap it up here, I know you're talking about some events that involving the startups going on at TechEd. Can you go into that?
So as you've seen starting first from the keynotes, from the exposure that the startups have got, the things that we had an executive technology summit, and the startups were brought in and presented to the key executives that were attending the technology summit. And now on the show floor, the startups are actually being approached by our customers. They're coming to our startup booth and making sure that they understand these solutions. They've heard a lot, and more customers are becoming aware. And that's the intent of us working with ASAP going forward, is to make sure that we cut through the fluff, cut through the marketing, make sure we present for the customers by their industry the use cases and the startups that would be relevant to them, so that they can pick up these solutions and work with them directly for the business problem that they're trying to solve.
Cool. Yeah, well, it's a really cool program. I always enjoy reading and talking to people in it, and I appreciate you coming on and talking about it today.
Well, thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Awesome. Well, have a great rest of your TechEd.
Thank you very much.
And thank you. And for more great SAP customer stories, head to asugnews.com.